Hello, everyone. Nasir Qureshi, Realtor Daddy, with the deal of the day today for you. We have 114 Skycrest Drive, Sugarland, Texas 77479. Listing by Mr. Murad Fiki, who is the lead of Fiki Properties Group at Future Real Estate. Property is listed for $315,000. Been on market for 18 days, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, living space 2,283 square feet. Lot is 6,250, which is a quite a big lot. Uh, House looks in great condition. Build is 1997. Maintenance fees is $1,200, and it's located in New Territory, which is a famous subdivision and neighborhood in Sugarland, Texas. Been around. So the build is in 1997. And one good thing about the houses that were built in 1990s, they have big bedrooms, and we'll see. So very great front look of the house. Uh, Driveway in very good condition, no cracks, nothing. It's a whole a lot of house for $315,000, to be honest with you. So big entry, spacious, stairs going up. This is virtual staging. That's how it looks. The living room with the fireplace, newly painted. Kitchen looks great. Call your buyer today. Sorry, your buyer's agent today to schedule a tour to see this house. If you don't have a real estate agent, you can contact me on 281-857-2000. I will personally give you a tour of this house. Or if you want to sell your house or a residential, commercial, buy, sell, invest, lease, build instead of Texas, call me. I got you. Spacious house. Game room on second floor. Big bedroom. Big bath. Two sinks. Big bathtub. Standing shower. Walk-in closet. Carpets and bedrooms. If you have a listing, a real estate property on market, off market, residential, commercial, whether you are a real estate agent or not, for sale by owner, new construction representative, and you would want us to consider in the deal of the day segment to broadcast on Unimix on Roku and Fire TV and YouTube, contact us. Wow, big backyard. Love it. Can play a baseball game here. Pickleball. So that's it for today. Deal of the day. Thank you for your support. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. And remember, of course, time is money, but real estate is both. So let's not waste our time and money, and let's take some action. I'll see you at the top. Thank you, and bye-bye.